Strombolian eruption. This is one of the most common and recognizable types of volcanic activity on Earth. It gets its name from Stromboli, a small island volcano off the coast of Sicily that has been erupting almost continuously for thousands of years. In a Strombolian eruption, blobs of molten lava are thrown into the air at regular intervals, sometimes reaching heights of a few hundred meters. The explosions come from gas bubbles that build up inside the magma and burst at the surface. The lava involved is thick enough to trap gas, but not so thick that pressure becomes extreme. Because of this, the eruptions are frequent but rarely catastrophic. They produce a lot of lava fragments, cinder, and volcanic bombs, which are solidified chunks of lava that cool as they fly through the air. Hawaiian eruption. Named after the volcanic activity seen on the Big Island of Hawaii, this type is defined by its fluid, fast-moving lava flows rather than explosive blasts. The magma in Hawaiian eruptions is very low in silica, which makes it thin and runny. Gas escapes from it relatively easily, so instead of building up pressure and exploding, the lava simply pours out. It can fountain upward in curtains of fire along cracks in the ground called fissures, or it can well up steadily from a central vent. The flows can travel for many kilometers, and over time, layer upon layer of lava builds broad, gently sloping mountains called shield volcanoes. Vulcanian eruption. This type is named after Volcano, another island in the same region as Stromboli, and it is considerably more violent. The magma involved is thicker and more viscous, meaning gas cannot escape easily. Pressure builds beneath a hardened crust of cooled lava that acts like a cap on the vent. When the pressure finally overcomes the cap, the eruption is sudden and powerful, sending dense clouds of ash, rock fragments, and gas shooting upward. These ash clouds can rise several kilometers into the sky. The explosions can repeat over hours or days as the vent reseals and pressure builds again. Volcanian eruptions produce a lot of pyroclastic material, which is a mixture of hot ash, rock, and volcanic debris that can spread across a wide area. Plinian eruption. This is among the most powerful and dangerous types of volcanic eruption known. The name comes from Pliny the Younger, a Roman writer who documented the catastrophic eruption of Mount Vesuvius in 79 AD, the one that buried the city of Pompeii. In a Plinian eruption, enormous quantities of gas and fragmented magma are blasted upward in a continuous column that can reach the stratosphere, sometimes climbing 20 to 50 kilometers above the Earth's surface. The magma is highly viscous and saturated with gas, and when it finally ruptures, the release of energy is immense. The eruption column can collapse under its own weight, sending fast-moving currents of hot gas, ash, and rock racing down the sides of the volcano. These are called pyroclastic flows, and they are extraordinarily lethal.